In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a purchase order in Xero. Begin on your Xero dashboard and look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon that provides quick access to creating different types of transactions and documents. Click on the plus icon to open the available options. Once the menu appears, look through the list until you find Purchase Order. Click on Purchase Order to open the purchase order form. This is where you'll enter all of the information related to the order you're creating. When the purchase order page opens, you'll be presented with a form containing the fields you need to complete. Start by entering the supplier's name in the appropriate field. After selecting the supplier, continue by entering the order date. Then add the expected delivery date so the purchase order includes the planned delivery schedule. Next, move down to the section where you'll enter the products or items included in the order. For each item, enter the description, the quantity you want to purchase, and the agreed price. Continue filling in each line until you've entered all of the products included in the purchase order. As you complete the form, take your time entering the information carefully. Make sure the supplier details, dates, item descriptions, quantities, and prices match the purchase you're planning to make. Accurate information helps ensure the purchase order reflects the order correctly. If you're unsure where a particular piece of information belongs, look around the form for any available help icons or tool tips. These can provide guidance while you're completing the purchase order without interrupting your workflow. Once you've entered all of the required details, review the entire purchase order before saving it. Check the supplier's information again, confirm the order and delivery dates, and review each item listed on the order. Verify that the quantities and prices are correct and that the totals match what you expect. After you've confirmed that everything has been entered correctly, locate the Save button, which is typically found near the bottom of the page. Click Save to store the purchase order in Xero. Once it's saved, the purchase order becomes part of your records and can be accessed whenever you need to review it. Having the purchase order saved also provides documentation for your supplier transactions whenever you need to reference the order later. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.